Hi and welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to Posse Adventures. You'll have to come over, darling, over this way.
Hi everyone.
Hello. So we're heading to Canberra to do a dog show. What's the show, darling?
It's the Canberra Royal.
Okay, it's Canberra Royal. So we thought we'd get a few Ks under our belts and leave in the evening after work. So we've ended up in a place called Broadford Bowling Club, and this is a free camp. In the morning I'll give you a quick show around. I'll be honest, we're really looking just somewhere to stop at this stage. You know, you're not allowed campfires or anything here. There's quite a few people actually in the area camping. There's a few other caravans around, but it's an easy stop, and apparently there is they've got a clubhouse that you're allowed to go into with a bar. So we won't be, because we've got the doggies, but we got the Franklin all set up behind. Trying to stay in the light because I'm only using a GoPro, but yeah, we're going to turn in for the night now, sit down and relax, and then up early tomorrow morning. So we'll show you what the site looks like in the daylight, and I'll catch up with you later. Cheers. Well, here we are. This is the overnight stop that we took just at Broadford, which is the Broadford Bowling Club. I'll just give you a quick pan around and let you see the area. So these are all areas for you to camp the night. There's a few people down here, but yeah, this is a free camp. It is fairly noisy. There's a railway line just here. Get quite a few trains there through the night, and the freeway's just behind that fence. So yeah, it is fairly noisy, but yeah, it's free. It's quite a nice area, and it's an easy stopover. So anyway, with that in mind, we're going to head off to Canberra as well from here. So it's a nice straight run, and we'll catch up with you when we get there. So here, so when you come in here, it is quite narrow across a little bridge just here, but you're going the right way as you're coming off the main road. You come through, and you need to go around to the left. It's a one-way system, and the camping is all around the back of the bowling greens. So yeah, it's not a bad one-night stopover.
Yeah, not bad at all.
Anyway, we're now heading on to Canberra. Catch you later. It's the Murray River.
Yeah, just about to cross that. There we go, there's the Murray. And there's New South Wales. Crossing the border. Awesome.
ACT next.
Yay. Apparently I take us to all the best places. I blame Richard because he wants to park. Just heading up now towards Gundagai, where there's a service station, and it's called the dog on the tucker box because there's a statue there with a dog on a box. We won't be seeing that, it's too wet, but anyway, see you later. We're in ACT. Simon was so small, I missed him. It's not good, is it? How you feeling, babe? Long day today.
Yes, could say that. Great weather.
No, not great weather. Shocking weather. Very wet. Really looking forward to doing the dog show tomorrow.
Oh, well. There we are.
Of course, I have a cream skirt. Awesome. This is car overtaken when you got on a 12. Anyway, we're not far now. We have got 13 minutes, 12 kilometres. We are nearly there. That's cool.
Okay, well, here we are at Canberra Park. It's pretty grey and overcast, rained all last night. The park's quite good. It's very commercial. Give you a quick pan round and let you have a look. Pretty packed in as well. So they've really crammed them in here. Just drying out our ground sheet. And Tanya's over there in the distance doing her dog show. Sky doesn't look great. Well, welcome to Canberra Park, which is where we are. Welcome to Canberra Park. So this is just while Tanya goes to a dog show. So we've got 2 nights here. We had last night, which it chucked it down with rain the whole day. Just going to turn the camera around and give you a little show around. Okay. So you've got a number of drive-through sites. Quite spacious, plenty of room. Biggest rig you like, you get in here. I mean, huge coach down there. One-way system set out around the park. There is an area over here, looks like it's for primarily unpowered over there. And then you got some standard type sites down here, but all concrete slabs. It's a fairly well equipped site. It does accommodate people in rooms as well as caravans, and there is seems that they use them a lot for workers actually. Boom gate to get in. Very nice camp kitchen with all the cooking stuff you could ever possibly need. Clean toilets. Amenities are just down there, just past that coach. It's obviously, I think this was only completed in 2020, so it's still quite new. So it looks like a lot of the vegetation hasn't really grown yet. Still early days. So they've got an outdoor barbecue area plumbed in, and an outdoor fire pit. It's rather nice. Okay, it's pack up and head home day today, but we thought we'd do some breakfast because it's going to be a fairly long drive on the road, and we didn't bring our barbecue with us, but luckily they've got one here, so I'm just going to spin it around. It's not pretty, but I've cleaned up this side of the plate, oiled it. So I'm going to put some bacon on there and see what we can do. Microphone's on me, darling. Well, you'll be able to be heard in the background, but so got a bit of streaky bacon, maple streaky bacon. This one. Ugh. That plate's still not really hot. Oh, it's starting to sizzle. Might as well do all of this. There's no point in putting half of it back. So on the positive side to this campground, they do have rather a good camp kitchen. So Tanya's taking you on a tour of the camp kitchen. So, yeah, coffee machines. Looks like they got tea and coffee library. Loads of microwaves, loads of fridges. Yeah, it's all good. TV. Couldn't ask for more, could you really? It's very clean and tidy here.
Yeah, we'll catch you later when breakfast is done.
Okay, so what's important to me when we use a public barbecue is that it's left in better condition than you started with. So I've greased this whole one, or oiled it, cleaned it all up, scraped off all the remnants of the cooking that I've done, and I'm going to put the cover back on it now. As you can see, that's ready to go for the next person. And that's what it should be like. So that's us all hooked up, ready to go back home now. So we've got a fairly long journey ahead of us, but the car's all hooked up to the van. We've done all the checks around the van to make sure she's ready to go. The dogs are away in the back. The missus is in the passenger seat, and we'll catch you when we get home.
See ya.
Time to go.
So here we are coming through the Great Dividing Range. It's pretty steep and hilly. Is that the high country ahead?
Yeah, it would be part of it.
Yeah, so part of the high country, not sure how well it will come out through the GoPro, but anyway, at least you get to see a little bit of what we enjoy doing on this drive. It's looking at all the changes in terrain and scenery. So here we are, we're just 47 kilometres from home, so we've made reasonable time. To the right of us over here past Richard is the Wombats and Lady Dag State Forest, and then over here is Lake Merrimu. You can just see it in the distance, hopefully. It's just a really pretty arrival into we're going back as Marsh. It's been a long day. The brain's not quite working like it should. But all of that in front of us is the Lady Dag State Forest. It's really quite stunning. Some of these houses are just amazing where they are, the view that they have.
Watching the road. It's very important.
It is an important job.